Hey there, welcome back to Anime Bites. Today, we're making a recipe that's gone totally viral this year, cottage cheese ice cream. It's creamy, packed with protein, and the perfect dessert for anyone looking for a healthy twist on ice cream. Cottage cheese has been around for centuries, originally crafted in European kitchens for its mild flavor and protein power. Fast forward to 2024, and cottage cheese ice cream exploded on TikTok and YouTube, making this simple ingredient a superstar in kitchens worldwide. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this creamy delight at home: 2 cups of full-fat cottage cheese. This will be our creamy base. Next we will take 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, for that perfect sweetness. Lastly, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract for a warm, rich flavor. And if you like, some mix-ins. Fresh berries, chocolate chips, or peanut butter work great. First, add your cottage cheese to the blender. This is the base that will give our ice cream its creamy texture and a boost of protein. Next, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it. And a splash of vanilla extract for that classic ice cream taste. Now comes the fun part: mix-ins. You can add fresh berries, chocolate chips, or even a swirl of peanut butter. Gently fold them in with a spoon so you get little bursts of flavor in each bite. Transfer your mixture into a container, smooth the top, cover it, and pop it in the freezer. Let it chill for 2 to 4 hours, or until it's set to your liking. Once it's set, scoop it out and enjoy. Cottage cheese ice cream is not only delicious but packed with protein. Perfect for a guilt-free dessert or even a quick snack. And there you have it, a trendy, creamy treat that's both healthy and indulgent. Thanks for watching Anime Bites. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and follow us for more fun, animated recipes and cooking inspiration from around the world. See you next time.